Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm Kitty Paws and today we're playing Roblox Get Crushed by a Speeding Wall. You don't need to see that. So I've played this game before, but I don't know. Oh my god. Oh, hello there. No. No, 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 no. Oh, he's so mad. Oh, did you see that? I didn't even touch the wall. Oh my god. Is the wall part of the Illuminati? I'm scared. Little lizard. Are you little lizard from Little Lizard and Tiny Turtle? That's what I thought. Oh, okay. I could run real quick. If I'm like very quick about it. How did you do that? Just need to at least get to the first door. Ah! Ah! Okay, I'm here. Oof. Oh, what does this potion do? I don't really. Never mind. I should. Ah! I don't know what this potion is doing. Does it have a name? Let's check. Doesn't even have a name. If I go to the store, what's that? Okay, never mind. Shut up, cars. Oh, now, if you hear my jingle bells, don't mind it. Oh, you're a happy one, aren't you? Yes, I thought you were. But I don't trust you. You're going to get mad. Like, for example, I'll be like, I'll dance for you. Like, when I dance, you'll get mad. Let's just, like, dance. Like, enjoy the music that's playing. I hope I don't get copyrighted. No, that would be very bad. Oh, no! Yeah, okay, tip. When everything was black, it's still green, it's soon going to become red. Just a warning for you noobs out there. What's this song? Ew. Ew, I like the last song better. Yeah, girl. Is it coming back? Hello, are you still mad? Are you still mad, sir? Oh, no, you're not mad. Me too, I'm not mad. I really like that face. It would be better if you had a woo face, though. No, buddies, don't leave me. Fine. While I wait, I'll get some nice things. I don't know what I'm going to get. Rocket boots. Speed issues. 2x speed. Oh, that's what it does? Oh, rip off. Pets. I want a pet. Green balloon. I want a doggy. I want a doggy. Oh, I have enough. Maybe there's a kitty. I like cats. Oh, cat. Cat. Wait, where's the doggy? I want a doggy now. Oh, there's the doggy. A cactus. Ew, that's a... Oh, a koala. I'm part of Koala Cafe. Oh no, I need to hurry up. Ew, I have a pig now. I didn't want a pig. I wanted a doggy. I still have enough for a doggy. I'm very rich, as you may know. Oh, I bet this video won't even be that equipped. My doggy. Lot 3. Yeah, I don't need those rocket boots. Yeah. Equipped. Okay, let's exit out. I don't need these. What do these even do? Oh, that's nice. Oh, well, Oh, yes, yes, yes. Hide. Please don't be dumb like me. Oh, it's the face. Oh, it's just plain ugly. Oh, no, 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 no. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to call you ugly. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sir. Oh, no, 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 no. You're still mad. Oh, you're very mad. You're very, very mad. I'm sorry about that. I thought you would be happy. You're very. Oh, yes, I know. You are beautiful. I'll hide here. 2019. Ew. I am a 2018er. Ew. I don't like futuristic people. Apparently, I could go down here. This video has been so short. Oh, I could still make it like 10 more minutes longer, but just by. Oh my god, a flying reindeer! You know, I all like the do not touch buttons. You actually don't, but I do, okay? Yeah, let's touch the button. Any words, cat? Oh, okay. A cat can speak only to me, but doesn't. Oh, what happened? Oh, I'm scared. Is this an obby? Is this a obby? Oh. Oof. We need to complete this obby, okay, guys? Just take a deep breath in and then let it out. Sky eclair. Eclairs. I love eclairs. Let's try the eclair. Oh. This way. Oh, it's bluer. I don't want the eclair. Spawn pet. I have a. Oh, my doggy. My doggy. Hi, doggy. Come on. Mwah. This is my new husband. Yes, I just got married. Oh no, I can't cheat with this. This is all on my own. Let's see if I could complete this. Hopefully my parkour skills will beat this. I'm confused. I haven't ever done this before. I swear. I swear. No, I'm stuck. Ow. Oof. You didn't even give me a chance. So rude. We'll spend like the next 10 minutes trying to figure this out. Okay, why am I doing this voice? Okay. Oof. Okay, up here, up here, up here, up here. Oh my god. Oh yeah, by the way, I have a shout out of the day. The shout out goes to my worst enemy. Her name is Savage7Life13. She's my like worst enemy. We're like arch enemies. We like hit each other every day. We like scream in each other's ears. Oh my god. Yeah. So like subscribe to her channel and also make sure to report her because she's not part of Team Bark. Team Bark's the best team. Team Dark is the bad team. What? What? What was that? Well. Well. Oh, Okay, so first we need to press the button. I'm pressing the button. I bet you I will make it. Haha, told you. Oh, I'm sorry. I'll push the button. No, 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 I won't push the button. Oh, yeah. Oh, well, goodbye, guys. Oh, wait, I actually want to do the button one more time. Ha ha ha. I like it when you're mad more. I'm going to make this like hard for everyone. Oh my god, everyone's going to get so triggered. They're like, oh no, I can't even go in one place. Okay, goodbye, guys. I'm going to be doing this for the rest of my life. Goodbye.